up? Welcome back to the most exciting video ever. It's currently February 3rd when I'm filming this. I'm like so excited and anxious, like so many emotions are coming over me. But welcome to our house hunting series. I can't believe we're even saying that, but we are starting this journey really early because the market here in Ottawa is crazy right now and you have to be like ready to put an offer in like super quick. Houses are like off the market within a few hours. It's crazy. So we're starting our journey really early. Like I said, it's February. We have our first showing tomorrow. Is that what it's called when you go see a house? We're going to look at a house tomorrow. I'm super excited. We are super thankful. We have a really great real estate agent. His name is Josh. I'll have all his information linked down below if you guys are in the Ottawa area. He is great and answers any questions for like first time home buyers. He's the best. But we're going to go look at our first house tomorrow. I think I'm going to record them as much as I can at least, and then obviously at the end I will let you guys know which one we pick. I won't show you guys the outsides or anything, but yeah, I'm so excited to bring you guys along, and I guess we will chat tomorrow when we go look at the house. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening. Happy Sunday. I realized after we saw the first house, I didn't even come on and update you guys or anything or give you guys any updates. So the first one was obviously super nice. It was smaller than we thought, but for the price we'd have to put in on it just like wasn't worth it because it was really small and it was a condo. We're gonna go look at 3 more houses today, which is exciting. I haven't decided if I'm gonna put the dates in on these or not because basically the series isn't gonna go up until we get a house. I'm just gonna make this like a series. So if we don't get a house till May, you guys aren't gonna see this till May, but if we get a house like next week, then you guys will see this soon. So I think it depends if I put the titles on it or not. But we're gonna go see 3 houses today. 2 are in the city, 1 is kind of in the country. And yeah, so I don't think we're putting an offer in on the first one. They aren't taking offers until the 15th, so we have time, but I don't think we're going to. And that's the way the market's working right now. It's not like normal markets where you don't put offers in like as you go. They typically will give a date that they're taking all offers and they'll go over all the offers and typically pick like the highest bidder. So yeah, that was the first house. It was really nice though. It was just like a little too small and we think it's gonna go for a lot over. We're going to see 3 today. This one we're going to see has been redone as well. I really am looking forward to seeing this one. But the backyard isn't completely fenced off. It only has like 2 sides, so we'd have to get the backside fenced off. It's considered a condo. But the kitchen, everything's been redone, so I'm really excited to see that one. The second one that we're going to see, I'm excited. The kitchen's recently redone and yeah, I'm excited to see it. It's like not the one I'm like hoping for, if that makes sense, but who knows? Like I feel like you get this gut feeling when you go into a house, but we'll see. I think it's cute, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. It does have 2 parking spots though, which is nice. And then the third one is out in the country about 5 minutes from where we are right now, and it has about half an acre-ish, maybe a little less. But we already know it needs some new windows, but I think that's the one we're most excited to see so far. So I guess we'll see. I will obviously include clips like I did, but let's go and see some houses. Hey guys, so we just got home. We're putting an offer in. I'm not going to tell you guys which one right away. You guys can stop this and guess which one we're going to put an offer in on. But give you guys a little review since before we went, I told you guys a little bit about each one. So the first one we went to see, which was house 2 for you guys, the lighting was just awful in it. And that's the thing about houses. They always make them seem brighter and bigger. The lighting was awful, and lighting is probably one of our biggest factors, especially with doing YouTube. Not even, just in general, like we don't want to have a dark house. So lighting was big. The kitchen, the bathrooms were super nice and renovated, but the rest of the house was like kind of sloppy. Like it just kind of seemed like they focused on the kitchen and bathrooms, which they did, but yeah, just wasn't the house for us. That's okay. The second house, when I was talking about it before we went to see it, you guys could tell I was kind of like, meh, whatever, we're just gonna go see it. We ended up loving it. It was in a great area. It was so cute and quaint on the outside. We loved it. It had the perfect size backyard. It had a little front porch. It was just perfect. It's right near the hospital, right near the highway, right near IKEA. And we definitely loved it a lot more than we thought. So we're actually putting an offer in on it, which is really exciting. And who knows if we get it. Obviously, what's meant to be will be, in the house that's meant to be will be. But yes, that's really exciting. And then the third one we went to go see, which was house number 4 for you guys, because I had that one house from the other day, which is the last one that'll be in this vlog. That house was nice. It had a huge backyard, as you guys saw. It kind of smelled like an older house. I don't know how to explain it. And it was a really nice house. It needed a lot of work though. Like it would be a really good house for if we had a bit more of a budget and we wanted to like flip or renovate it. It needed a lot of work. And we obviously, for our first house, want something that's a little bit more move-in ready. Not everyone does, but we just don't really want to have a fixer-upper right now. So it was really nice. It just needed a lot of work, and it was a really small. So that's that. That's a bummer, because it's ironic that the one we weren't looking forward to going to see the most was the one we actually really loved, and then the one that we loved we didn't really like. So that's that. I think this is going to be obviously a bit shorter of a vlog than usual, but that's because it's going to be a series. It's currently 1:50 on Sunday. They are taking offers tomorrow at 4 p.m. So I guess I'll let you guys know, probably in a different vlog. I don't think I'll tell you guys in this vlog, but I'll let you guys know either way, and then we will either continue our house hunt or that'll be our house. I guess we'll see. But it was really cute. I really wish I could show you guys the outside. I just don't really like want to for privacy, but it was so cute. I felt like we were in like a little British soap opera. The houses were so cute, like Coronation Street or something. It was so cute. So yeah, this one that we're putting an offer in on has a huge unfinished basement, which I don't know if I got a clip of, but if not, you guys will see it if we get it. It had a really bright living room, big, huge windows. The office, which was obviously one of the big things for me, had a lot of light. The master was really big. It had like this really nice like accent wall, and overall it was really new. The washer and dryer probably have to be replaced in the next year or so. The basement had like this white exposed brick. It was absolutely gorgeous, and it's unfinished, but it's in a good enough condition that you could like work in it or like have it as a man cave right now. Like it was warm down there. The floors weren't cold. You have 2 neighbors, so you don't need to get it insulated or anything. It was really nice. You could like definitely have a man cave down there already, and so much storage. So I'll obviously keep you guys updated. But yeah, let me know if there's anything you guys want to see in the next house hunting vlog if we don't get this house that I did in this one. Obviously it's the first vlog in the series, so you guys will have to let me know how you like it. But yeah, I guess I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll check back in with you guys when we officially put our offer in, which will be tomorrow once we get all the papers signed and everything. So yeah. Hi guys, it's a few days later. It's Tuesday, February 9th. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I had a really busy work day, and then obviously with putting an offer in and stuff, it was just a little chaotic, and we wanted to kind of like live in the moment a little bit. So we ended up putting an offer in on house number 3, which I showed you guys in the last clip. We thought we put in what was a decently competitive offer because it had an unfinished basement and it was only a 2-bed, 1-bath. And like in an ideal world, we would love a 2-bed, 2-bath. And it was on the smaller side. It was an older house, so we thought we had a competitive offer going in at $400,000. I think I'm going to share with you guys how much we put in. I don't think I'll ever share with you guys how much we get a house for, like the actual house that we get. I don't think I'll share that just because I don't think it's relevant, but since we didn't get it, I will share that with you guys. So we put in an offer for $401,000 and it was listed at $349,000, so we were still going above asking. and we didn't get it, which we kind of had a feeling. I mean, if it was meant to be, it was meant to be. But once you guys realize how much it went over asking, you were going to be shocked. House was listed at $349 and it went for around $475, $479 I think. So it went at least $100,000 over asking, which is insane. And we loved the house obviously, but you kind of just realize like that is not worth it at all for the size of the house. So we obviously didn't get it. I mean, it would have been pretty epic if our first house hunting episode we actually got the house. But that's just what the market is like right now, and I wanted to share that with you guys because I feel like so many house hunting blogs on the internet are like, we looked at 3 houses and we got one of our first 3. And so I want to share with you guys that it's not always like that. And this is why we're starting our journey early, right? We have until about September to find a house. And so we're obviously not in a huge rush, but we started early because we realized, you know, why not? Like there's no downside to starting early. If anything, we just find our forever home earlier. Anyways, so that is that. I just want to give an absolute huge shout out to Josh. Josh is our real estate agent, and if you guys are in Ottawa and you're in the market for buying, I highly recommend. Obviously, this is like not sponsored. We're genuinely just working with him. But he is absolutely amazing. I cannot say enough good things. He is just the most down-to-earth, chill guy, and I personally like having someone younger. We can relate to him more, and he is so nice and caring. And we texted him today saying like, look, is there even any hope for getting a backyard? Because that's really our only big thing, is having a backyard. And he literally just went and pulled like all the numbers from the last 2 months to show us that there is hope for getting a backyard. Whereas I feel like a regular real estate agent would be like, nah, or like, yeah. But he literally just sent me a text and he just pulled all the sales so far this year to show us that there is still hope for getting one. So he's just amazing. I'll have all his details down below. If you guys are in Ottawa and you're wanting to sell or buy, I just highly recommend him. He's really awesome and super realistic. And yeah, this is the end of house hunting episode 1. Let's see how many episodes there's gonna be. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if there's anything you guys want to see differently in the other ones, I'm hoping to get more clips of the houses in the other ones. I just kind of feel awkward like filming in people's houses, but just let me know if you guys kind of like how I gave you guys little details about the house. Just let me know what you liked and you didn't like, and I'd be happy to work on it because I have a feeling there's going to be a few more episodes of this. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already, because I upload all the videos and there's going to be so many house videos to come. I'm so excited about this next journey on YouTube and can't wait to bring you guys along. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll chat with you guys next time. Bye!